out of Diva Style by Unbridled Song. From the first crop of California Chrome, the two-time Horse of the Year and $14 million earner. His wins, of course, included the Kentucky Derby, the Preakness, and the Dubai World Cup. An exciting update for this colt's family, he's the second foal from an Unbridled Song half-sister to 'Tis the Law, winner of last year's Grade 1 Champagne Stakes. He recently returned to win the Grade 3 Holy Bull Stakes, earning a massive 117 Equibase speed figure in the process. Second dam is the Grade 2 winner 'Tis Fizz, a colt by California Chrome from Wavertree Stables.